The 22 News Storm Team has issued a severe weather alert for this weekend. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stromko working for you tonight with how this weekend's storm could affect your travel plans.
Well, the storm is expected to make for dangerous travel conditions Saturday night and Sunday. If this storm was coming during the week, it would have quite an impact on people who would normally be commuting to work and to school. But since it's coming on a weekend, fewer people plan to be on the roads, and some of them have plans to be indoors on Sunday.
Travel? No, I won't travel.
Oh yeah, we're not traveling anywhere. Football Sunday. Patriots are on to 6:40. Hopefully the snow's gone by then, and we'll be happy.
Now, if you do plan on traveling Saturday night or Sunday, be sure to give yourself plenty of time, take it slow, and use your headlights. The roads are expected to be very slippery and visibility is expected to be poor. And since it is a holiday weekend, many people have the day off on Monday.